Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna presentation about the history of the English language. The English language. First, the origin and the history of English. English belongs to the Germanic branch of the Indo-European language family and has evolved through distinct historical periods, namely Old, Middle, and Modern English. The second, Modern English compared to early English and other languages. Unlike its highly inflected ancestor, modern English relies heavily on word order and auxiliary verbs rather than complex words, ending to convey grammatical meaning. Third, external and internal change. While external change refers to linguistic transformation driven by outside historical, even like invasion and a social shift, internal change involves the natural, gradual evolution of the language's own grammar and pronunciation over time. English spelling, sounds, and grammar. First, the irregularity of English spelling. English spelling is notoriously irregular because its writing system was preserved historical while the actual pronunciation underwent massive change, creating a gap between how words are written and spoken. Second, phonetic and sound change. Phonetic provides a standardized system to study speech sound, which help trace how English pronunciation shifts gradually through natural linguistic process over the centuries. Third, grammatical terminology and structure. Understanding traditional grammatical terminology is essential to analyze how English structural rules, word endings, and sentence form have evolved from its early periods to the modern era. Before Old English, origin of language and earliest writings. This section explores the fundamental theories of how human language first emerged and examines the early forms of written record left by ancient civilization. Second, Indo-European to Germanic shift. It analyzes the major historical sound change and shift into morphology and syntax that occur when the language branched off from Proto-Indo-European into the Germanic family. The last, reconstruction method and phonetics. This topic details the comparative method linguistic used to reconstruct unrecorded ancient language, which also considering how political context can influence this historical interpretation. Old English, Germanic migration to Britain. The history of Old English began with the migration of Germanic tribes, such as Angles, Saxon, and Jutes, from mainland Europe to island of Britain. The second, linguistic characteristic and vocabulary. Linguistically, Old English was highly inflected language characterized by complex grammatical endings, case system, and a grammatical gender. The last, Old English dialects and literary sources. Due to the political division of Anglo-Saxon England, the language was split into four major regional dialects, which were Northumbrian, Mercian, Kentish, and West Saxon. From Old to the Middle English. External influences and loan words. During this transitional period, English absorbed a massive number of loan words due to historical context with Celtic, Latin, and Scandinavian languages. The impact of French influence. Following the Norman conquest, French became the language of the ruling class and deeply impact the legal, politic, and social vocabulary in English. The resulting lexicon and status shift. As a result of these multiple foreign layers, Middle English emerged with a uniquely diverse vocabulary that combined Germanic roots with a Romance language element. Middle English, linguistic characteristic and sound shift. Middle English was characterized by a massive loss of grammatical inflection, shifting from a highly inflected language to much a simpler, analytic structure. The evolution of Middle English vocabulary. The vocabulary of Middle English grew rapidly as it integrated thousands of French and Latin words into a core Germanic system. Middle English dialect and literary tradition. Without a single political center to standardize the language, Middle English was highly fragmented into distinct regional dialects, including Northern, Midland, Southern, and Kentish. Early Modern English. First, printing, literacy, and standardization. The introduction of printing press greatly increased literacy rates and accelerated the need for the unified standard of written English. The second, vocabulary growth and attitudes toward standard. During the Renaissance, the early modern English lexicon expanded dramatically through thousands of newly coined words borrowed from classical Latin and Greek. The third, regional varieties and editorial issues. Despite the push for standardization, the language still maintained various regional dialects and registered differences that reflected social classes. Modern English. The expansion of modern vocabulary. The vocabulary of modern English expanded on an unprecedented global scale, driven by scientific advancement, colonialism, and international trade. Linguistic characteristic and vocabulary. Modern English became highly standardized and stable in its grammar and morphology compared to early periods, relying entirely on analytical word order. Global dialects and register varieties. While British English maintained its own regional dialects, the language fractured into distinct international varieties, such as American and Australian English.